does Instagram notify screenshots? In this case, guys, I need to mention that from now on, Instagram doesn't get notified screenshots section on your site selection. For example, if you go into your chat selection, if you scroll on your right side, and from here, if someone took a screenshot on it, or if you take a screenshot for your sell site, and then you're going to see that there are no sites that it will take off and show you that has been take that screenshot. But in some cases, for example, if that profile has access for a verified profile setup or something like that, it will take to the main point and get that notified. But also, if you talk about screenshots which could also be made right here into those story selections, if you have a story site and if you just screenshot for another story, the another person that have posted that story, it will not be available to see that screenshot section.